Our Australian delegate, most of you know, Paul Pisale. He is the mayor of Ipswich City Council. When I met him for the first time, it was delight. When we launched our Australian office, we were trying to see who would be our best chief guest to open our office in Australia. And Mr. Maha suggested that we should invite Mr. Paul Pisale, because he is one of the strong promoters of Ipswich, Springfield and the Western Corridor, and where we have set up our office. So I said, okay, let us try. But when he came in, it was a wonderful delight. He came with a plan with inviting Dhanush and thanking Dhanush and blessing Dhanush in all the means for setting up our operations in Australia. Since then, he is untiringly supporting us in promoting Dhanush in Australia, in Brisbane, in Queensland, in Ipswich, and also extended his assistance of building the relation between Australia and India. And during the Easter week, he coming here is a demonstration of his support to Dhanush and also the cause of relation between India and Australia. I especially thank Paul for taking off for a week, coming into India and traveling all across. We planned his travel in multiple states, right from Delhi to Orissa to Chhattisgarh, Andhra Pradesh, in 4 or 5 days, traveling so many places. Even for us, it would be very tough in the hot summer. And his withstanding to that is really great. Thanks very much, Paul. Thank you. Another guest from Australia, Mr. Graham. Out of the blue, Ramki called up from Austrade and said, Deputy Mayor from Australia coming into this Hyderabad visit, and he would be joining Paul. It was a great delight. We didn't do any effort to bring in such a wonderful person who is the chairman of infrastructure, who is the right hand of the mayor of Brisbane, one of the biggest city councils in Australia. And just because the mayor couldn't able to make it to this visit, he requested Graham to join for these events, and he accepted that and come in as a great delight for us. And I really thank him for coming in with a very short notice. I sincerely hope that their visit is going to bring in a lot of harmony between India and Australia. We happened to meet today morning Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. There was great amount of support coming in from the state government, and he was very happy. He was mentioning, I was really surprised to hear his statements, that I honestly feel that there is no insecurity of any of our Indians in Australia. It is something, maybe it is created, but I strongly believe that we have a great friendship and we should extend. And he also offered to an extent of visiting Australia and Brisbane to extend this relationship. So that is the type of support India is extending to build this relationship. Similarly, we are seeing the relationship coming in from Australia, like Paul and Graham coming in here, and much more number of people going to come in the future and extending the same type of relationship. So our initiative to support this cause and extend a lot more business relation between both the nations is more to seeing the business potential what we can expect in Australia. Today, if you look at the Australian population, it is around 22 million, which is 1/3 of Andhra Pradesh population. But if you look at their GDP, the potential and the size of the country and the economy it can help out to, it's massive. And it is an opportunity for our country and for all of us to build this relationship and then try to extend business benefits, because they have accomplished a lot of things in their technology, in the infrastructure, in the mining and irrigation and various other segments. They have accomplished a lot of best technologies in their operations. This is a time for us to utilize that, bring them here, we going them there. I was just suggesting, Paul, that if you have a 2050 vision of making 50 million as a population, India is the best place. You are with the right people. So, to show our commitment, and also as Dhanush, we having set up our operations in Australia, we felt that it is our interest and also the interest of our organization to communicate that we are all feeling safe back in Australia and also in India, and your people can come in here and we can go there. So to send the right message, we thought this would be a right occasion to organize this event and invite some of the dignitaries here. So thanks very much for coming in. I really looking forward to strengthen this relationship